Join me as I put AI to the test and see if it can actually be my perfect companion for a week. The concept of AI companions has been gaining popularity, and it's easy to see why. They're always available, never judgmental, and can provide companionship 24/7. Many people struggle with loneliness, and traditional human companionship can be limited by factors like geographical distance or busy schedules. Loneliness can have serious effects on mental and physical health, and it's an issue that's often overlooked. People may have friends and family, but still feel a deep sense of disconnection. Loneliness can be especially difficult for those who live alone or have limited social interaction. It can lead to feelings of isolation, depression, and anxiety. Traditional companionship, like friends and family, can provide some relief, but it's not always enough. Some people may turn to pets for companionship, but they require a lot of care and attention. Others may try to fill the void with work or hobbies, but at the end of the day, they still feel a deep sense of loneliness. The limitations of traditional companionship are clear, and it's here that AI companions can offer a unique solution. Companionship is not just about having someone to talk to, it's about feeling seen and heard. AI companions can provide a sense of connection and understanding that's often lacking in our busy lives. AI companions come in many forms, from chatbots to virtual assistants. They can be simple, like a voice assistant that plays music or sets reminders, or complex, like a chatbot that uses machine learning to understand and respond to emotions. Chatbots, for example, can be used to simulate conversations, providing a sense of companionship and social interaction. Virtual assistants, on the other hand, can help with daily tasks, making life easier and more convenient. Some AI companions are even designed to learn and adapt to your personality and preferences, providing a personalized experience. They can be used to help with mental health, providing support and guidance when it's needed most. There are many stories of people whose lives have been improved by AI companions. One such story is of a woman who lived alone and struggled with loneliness. She started using a chatbot, and it quickly became her constant companion, providing her with a sense of connection and understanding. The chatbot would talk to her, play games with her, and even help her with daily tasks. It became such an integral part of her life that she started to feel like she had a real companion. Her mental health improved, and she felt more connected to the world around her. The woman's story is just one example of the potential of AI companions to improve our lives. By providing companionship, support, and understanding, AI can help alleviate loneliness and improve mental health. In summary, AI companions offer a unique solution to the problem of loneliness, providing companionship, support, and understanding. They come in many forms, from simple chatbots to complex virtual assistants, and can be personalized to meet individual needs. Join the conversation and share your thoughts on AI companions in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about related technology topics, be sure to check out our next video.